Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my salmon and pesto recipe. This is quick and easy. The salmon is pan fried and then the pesto is put on top and it is so delicious. So stay tuned for the recipe. So I have some fresh basil here and this is about 3/4 cup. This is 1 clove of garlic and 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to pulse this in my food processor. I have 1/4 cup of olive oil that I'm going to add to it. And if you don't have any fresh basil or any of the ingredients to make the pesto, that's fine. You can use store-bought pesto instead. Here's my homemade pesto. I didn't have a lot of basil, so I'm just trying to scrape out as much as possible to cover my salmon the way I want it to be covered. It made about 2/3 cups of pesto, and if I have any left over, I'll just keep it in the fridge and use it for another day. I'm adding some pink Himalayan salt and a little bit of black pepper and just a little bit of lemon juice. I have 3 pieces of salmon fillet here, and I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on them and brush it on just to make sure that the olive oil gets all over those fillets. And now I'm just going to add some salt and some black pepper. I have my pan on medium heat and I'm adding a good amount of oil, and I'm using avocado oil here because it has a higher smoke point than olive oil. Now I'm adding the fillets to the pan, skin side down. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper and oregano on this side. I'm going to fry the fillets on this side for 4 minutes so that the skin gets nice and crispy. So 4 minutes has passed, so I'm just going to add the pesto to the top of the salmon and use my brush to spread it evenly and just pat it down a bit. Then I'm going to put my lid on and let it cook for 3 more minutes or until the top of the salmon is opaque. So after 3 minutes, I'm taking the lid off and I'm just making sure that the salmon is done. One thing I don't like is overcooked salmon. It just doesn't taste the same. And it'll also continue to cook a little longer after you take it out of the pan, so just keep that in mind. This texture is perfect. I have a fresh green salad here, and I'm going to place one of the fillets on top. The garlicky rich taste of the pesto goes so well with the salmon, and the combination of the fresh salad is just perfect. So there you have it, a quick, easy, and delicious dinner idea that you can make during a busy weeknight. So if you make the salmon recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like my meal ideas, please click on that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.